Hi everyone, this is me Vivian in Hairstyle channel, and today I will show you how I get ready with my hair in the hot summer nights. I usually use a wig, especially if you have frizzy fine hair like mine in the hot summer nights, especially if you go for a dance or you're having a really good time. You do need help of the wig, and the wig is really amazing. It can help you like get fast ready and perfect, everything stay perfect in place, so you don't need to worry the whole night for your hair. But you do need to know how to put it on and how to keep it secured on your head. Okay, so what I have today is my own wig. I made it by myself. I bought the hair online, and this video is not sponsored, so I did it on my own choice. I went online and I bought it. I bought the hair pieces and I bought everything I need to sew the wig, and I got it all together. I will show you in the future videos how I make my own wig, but this is special for the summertime, so it's quite light, so I made it on my own way, the best way to do it for my own hair, because I do have fine hair, but there's like a lot of fine curly hair, so it can get really hot in the summer. So try, if you make your own wig, try to make it as light as possible. If you have like a lot of fine hair like mine, so you want to make sure you don't sweat so much so your skin can breathe. So that's the point. Okay, I will show you what I made. It was like really fast. You can like make it, but remember, all the wig you make sure you know where for you use it. Like for example, this one I will show you today, especially so for the hot summer nights. So if you go for a walk at the beach, or you go for a drink in the summertime, or you can also still dance with it, but again I will show you how to secure it very good so it doesn't fall out. Okay, let's get started. This is what I have today. This is my lovely curly wig, and that I designed and I made by myself. You can see I sew it. I should say I even sew it with my own hand, so it's handmade by myself on my own head size. So you make sure you take the size how big your head is, and it's stretched out. And there is, as you see, I didn't put any clip on. I do have them, but I didn't put them on, so I will secure it with Barbie pins. I will show you like the normal Barbie pins. Why I do that? So you can be more free where to wear it, to this side, to this side. As you see, the top, you can still choose. You want it to the side or to that side. So it's like, I call it the easy put on wig. So you can choose where to put it. You can still put the, if you have them, the little ones, and just sew them in, and you can clip it in. But it's like I said, this is the one I made. It's really easy to make. You buy the piece here, and then this one I sew it on together. You can all have them online, and you can see it's really easy. I will show you in my future videos how I did this, but you can see it's handmade. But because this hair is very curly, you cannot see if it's like, you cannot see what happened underneath, so it covers really good. And I chose something is near to me, my skin, my own color, so it looks more natural. When you go out in the nighttime, it will be a bit, it will look darker, just like the one I have now. So you have to choose something who's near to your own everyday wear. So make sure you wear something is near to you, your own wear, what you have, like your hairstyle or the color. You can of course change from blonde to dark for extremely night outs, but if you're going for a walk and you want to have nice lovely time, just have something similar. And of course I have it longer, it's really nice. It's one of my favorite, by the way. This is beautiful hair. Like I said, you can go online and buy them ready if you want, but you can also, like me, I bought them separate and I made them the way I wanted to have it. So it's nice and beautiful curls. And oh, this wig is synthetic, so it's not real hair. This is not real. So I always spray it with shampoo wash shampoo, so dry shampoo. So I don't wash it normally, I just spray. So it's really easy. That's why I call it also the summer hair. So why is summer hair? Because it's easy, you spray it, you leave it, and then next day you can wear it. And it's different way of treating this hair than natural hair. So okay, I will show you how I put it on. It's really easy and it's beautiful and it's perfect for the summer. Let me show you how I put it on. Okay, so what you will need first you need to tie your hair in a ponytail. And usually what I do, I have it, for me personally, I have it quite low. Some people like it higher. It depends how short the layers are of the wig, but because for me I like it lower because the hair is quite long, so it blends in perfect, and because it curls, so the bubble of my tied ponytail, you're not gonna see it because the curls will go over my ponytail. So let's do it. I will take elastic to tie your hair. As you see, my hair, there is no product in it. It's just washed hair and dried. It's not even blow dried. This is my own natural curls. It's quite frizzy, so there's no product in my hair. So it's just washed, conditioned, and there is at the moment nothing in there. So keep it as natural as possible, especially if you use wig, so your skin can breathe. So the less product, I prefer not to put any product, but if you have some product, try to use little bit. Like some people like to tie the ponytail quite tied to the back, and they have like little layers, shorter layers, so they need to spray them. You can do that, but use like one product or a mousse or hairspray just to tie them. But for me, in my case, I'm not doing that. I prefer to keep tight, but my skin need to breathe, so I always keep it natural with no product. Okay, so that's the first one. I always use two of them just to make sure it's nice and tight. And I don't know if you can see, I will make the ponytail like mini small and all together. So it's better to my skin. Now we will take this one. This is, okay, if you have like mine, hair's flying, just take some hair lacquer if that's the case, and again, use as little as possible. Yes, perfect. And then this is, I call it the panty cap. This is, you put it on so you can tie everything perfect on the place, and also it helps the wig not to slip, and it's much better like that. And you can get them really cheap online. They're like, depends where you buy them, but can be really cheap. Okay, so you can see the ponytail is inside, all the hairs is inside. What I always tend to do, I will always put makeup here, and I am not having any hair outside. I'm trying like to keep everything inside because my hair color doesn't match this one that much. It's quite lighter. As you see, it's much lighter than this one, so I prefer to put everything inside. And for this, I will put some makeup on because it's lighter than my own skin, so it will blend in much better. So you will put some makeup on this one and just go and try like to match it, and then just continue to match it perfectly so it's smooth. Okay, perfect. So now we will get my wig, the one I made for myself, for my own size, without the clips in. So like I said, I made it by myself. It's handmade, hand sewed, and it's really easy to do. I will show you in my future videos how to do it. And you can put it two ways. As you see, this is quite stretchy. You can put it like this in one time, go flip it backward, or you just take it from up the hair like the front lace and then put it. But I'm very gentle with my with my wigs, so I always try to attempt to put them from the front to the back because I'm really gentle with them. I love them, they're my babies, and especially when it's synthetic hair like this one, so you do need them gently. And then just pull to the ponytail we just made, and then you go to the front where we have that, and you see I did it by myself, so you try to cover that. Always go like this. And I wore it the other day and no one knew it was a wig. They thought I colored my hair. Especially in the evening, no one will see if it's like your own hair or not. And just find where you wear the best. To be honest, for me, one of the sides is always the best. In the middle, it makes my nose look bigger, so I always choose to have it on the side. And this is the way it is. This is my beautiful baby girl. So this is, no one will see it. You can also do like have it this down so you can see this. You can, it's actually quite tight. I can like dance with it. But again, we will tie it with some Barbie pins. And don't worry about this one, no one will see it. What you can also do, if you see, I cut little like small hairs. You can cut even more. Like if I do here more cutting, smaller hairs, smaller like pieces, layers, they will not even see it is sew by hand, so no one will see it. So always try to find a way to make it look more natural. You can always, I always do some hairspray on it just to make sure it's on the place, because like I said, it's synthetic hair, so try to be very gentle with it. We don't wash it, we wash it with a spray shampoo, but you can always use some hair, like I'll show you the back. It's really nice, perfect and long. Like I said, for the summer when you have nice bikini on, or if you like, you can go in water with it, but it's nice for the evening to just look elegant and ready, and your hair is not messy. Beautiful curls on the place. And again, you can always take like some hairs, just leave this and then like try to cover that. And you can put some flowers here, what I tend to do a lot. So yeah, you can put the flowers, it depends. You can also, what I always also tend to do, like to cover it. See, no one will see it's a wig, it's perfect. But again, it's beautiful. Use some flowers. You can also have it loose and just put 2 flowers here. And as you see, it's like, it's really tight. But again, I will show you how to tie it even more. And that's simply with Barbie pins. If you make your own wig, it's better to have your own, make it on your own size. So when you do that, you will never have problem it's going loose. So it will always be on your tied on the shape of your own head. Again, this is just in case you really are going to go to dance, use some Barbie pins. I didn't put any clip in, secure clips in, because I just keep it simple for the summer. So I try to use those. And you can always, like if you see here, you can go here and tie it with the cap we put on and your own hairs underneath. First we will do that. And I always say for the front, use bigger Barbie pins, just in case you can secure it more, and then just push it in. Don't be scared, no one will see them, you will feel them. It's really even tighter now. And then I always do a few of them just in between, inside, and push it in. It will go in the one just did. Perfect. And you will need maybe 4 of them, no more, especially if it's made for your own head, your own shape. Yes. So this is how I look for my summer evening time. And it's really easy. You just put it on and have your lovely summer dress, your lovely like top. I always try, like, it depends how I will put my hair on. But if I have it loose, I usually have like a nice dress, summer dress, flowery colors, and put some flowers. And sometimes I do it halfway up, and sometimes I do 2 ponytails just to look more cute. So it's really nice. I hope you like my wig tutorial of today and how I do my hair for the summer. It's really nice, it's really easy, and it looks really natural, it looks really good, and the color, it's really perfect for my skin. Again, try to use or to buy, if you want to buy it ready, you can do that. Buy something so near your own color, so it will always look more natural when you go out, when you have your picture done, and when people see you. It's really nice, natural. So yeah, this is how I have my own wig on, and for the summer I get ready, and it's really easy and simple, and it looks more natural. Of course, if you have like summery nice dress, you will not even see it's a wig, and it's beautiful, perfect, nice curls. And again, if you do this, try to find something like similar to your own hair, near to your own hairstyle. Like me, I have curly hair, so I chose for curly, a bit lighter for the summer weather, so it's really nice. And make sure you tie it up so you can dance, you can move, you can wear different ways. It's really amazing. I hope you like my video tutorial of today. If you have any question, please comment below, let me know. And if you want me to do any other video for the next time, let me know which video you'd like me to do so you can see it. If you have any other question, just let me know. I will answer all your questions. And yeah, this is the way to get ready for the summer, easy and simple. This is Vivyan in Hairstyle channel. I will say till next video, bye bye for now, ciao ciao, bye.